a noisy little sheep. Let's see that again. Press a key.
Stop sheep. Stop sheep.
Stop sheep.
Stop.
Hey, press a key, and guess what? The cow will make its cow sound.
Ah.
Moo to you,
Moo.
cow.
I know.
Let's see that one more time.
That was good. Good job.
This is the cow.
Mm-hmm.
This is the cow.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what sound do you
What's
think the piggy makes? Press a key to find out. That is one noisy pig.
What did he do?
Let's see that one more time.
What did he?
Press a key.
Oink, oink.